Woolly mammoths are one of the most famous extinct animals. They were huge, hairy mammals that lived during the Pleistocene epoch until their eventual extinction at the end of the last ice age about 10,000 years ago. We've all heard of woolly mammoths, but how much do we really know about them? Here are 8 rare and surprising woolly mammoth facts. Number 1. There were many different species of woolly mammoth. Scientists have identified over a dozen species of woolly mammoth, although some of these may just be variations of the same species. Woolly mammoths were not only found in North America, but also in Europe, Asia, and Africa. The woolly mammoth species, known as the Columbian mammoth, was once thought to be the North American equivalent of the woolly mammoth. But it turns out that they were actually more closely related to mastodons. Number 2. Woolly mammoths had big brains. Compared to modern-day elephants, woolly mammoths had brains that were nearly 3 times larger. Scientists aren't exactly sure what this means, but it could be that woolly mammoths were smarter than their modern-day cousins. No. 3. Woolly mammoths went extinct during the last ice age. The woolly mammoth is one of many creatures that went extinct at the end of the last ice age. Other creatures that went extinct at this time include saber-toothed cats, giant sloths, and the dodo bird. It's possible that woolly mammoths were hunted to extinction by humans. This is just one theory, and there's no concrete evidence to prove it. No. 4. Woolly mammoth bones have been found with arrowheads still stuck inside them. This suggests that woolly mammoths were hunted by humans for thousands of years. It may have played a role in their eventual extinction. Some of the oldest known examples of cave paintings depict woolly mammoths being hunted by humans. No. 5. Woolly mammoths lived in herds. It's just like their modern-day relatives. Woolly mammoths probably lived in herds led by a matriarch. Herds would have consisted of females and their young, while the males would have been solitary or lived in small groups. No. 6. Woolly mammoths had a gestation period of about 2 years. This is similar to modern-day elephants, which have a gestation period of around 22 months. Woolly mammoth calves were probably born with a thick coat of hair that helped them survive the cold temperatures. No. 7. Woolly mammoths were once brought back to life. In 2005, scientists announced that they had successfully cloned a woolly mammoth by inserting woolly mammoth DNA into an elephant cell and then implanting the cell into a surrogate elephant. Fortunately, the clone didn't survive for long. No. 8. Woolly mammoth tusks can grow up to 16 feet long. These tusks were used for digging through snow to find food and for fighting off predators. Woolly mammoths were also able to use their tusks to build snow shelters for themselves and their young. Now it's time to test your knowledge. How many of these facts did you already know? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.